I'm Dr. Nicholas Grigsby and I'm the Deputy Principal Head of Senior Schools here at Haileybury. Today's a very special day in the rhythmic journey of a school year. It's a day of celebration where we finish the year and we say farewell to our Year 12 who are preparing for their examinations. To some extent today's quite a poignant day in that it's a time for many to reflect about their long school journey, the friendships they've forged, the adversities, but also the successes that many have been on. But equally it's a wonderful time of celebration when they are able to say goodbye to their friends, but equally having formed friendships they can then take these out into the wider world as successful Haileyburyans into the future and change makers for good.
Hello, my name is Russell Davidson, Director of Development and Alumni Relations here at Haileybury. When students graduate from Haileybury, they become part of the Old Haileyburyans Association, a network of over 18,000 members designed to keep our students in contact with their school, their peers and a great network of members. Once a Haileyburyan, always a Haileyburyan.